My name is Elizabeth Hertel, and I am the director of the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, which serves people in the state of Michigan through providing health care, providing safe haven for children, making sure that people have access to vital records, and any other number of services. I think that the visible, authentic leadership of women is to be honest, to live our truth, in that being a leader can be challenging, especially given the other priorities that we have in our lives. With children, with families, perhaps being caregivers to parents or other elderly family members, we have a lot that's being demanded of us, especially in the last couple of years, with children being virtual school, with potential staying at home, working from home, trying to manage all of those things. Being honest about how challenging it is, reaching out to others for support, and making sure that we're supporting other women in leadership roles as well. I think the best piece of advice I can offer anyone who wants to get into leadership in public service is to learn as much as possible about the subject areas that you're interested in, that you're passionate about, and focus on being able to work with everybody, ensuring that you keep your eye on the goals and the outcomes, because in general, the outcomes that we're looking for are the same. And sometimes the way that we reach those outcomes are different. That process can be very different, and people have different opinions on it. But keeping in mind that we're all looking for the same outcomes and goals is really important. The number one thing to help further women's economic recovery from the pandemic, and I think even outside the pandemic, I think the pandemic just exacerbated some of the issues that we have, is access to safe, affordable childcare. I think is the number one issue. Access to safe, affordable housing, I think, is number two. To make sure that women have the ability to go to work when they need to, the ability to live in a safe neighborhood and have access to safe schools for their children is important. But I think that child care option is something that has been woefully neglected for a very, very long time.